Chosen ones, imagine feeling powerful and resilient in a world that often seems designed to test your strength and spirit. This video looks into why your unique qualities might unsettle those around you and how understanding this dynamic can empower you even further. We'll explore the essence of personal power and resilience, unpack why they can be intimidating to others, and offer guidance on how to harness these attributes positively. Personal power is the foundation of how we navigate life's challenges and opportunities. It's rooted in self-awareness and self-confidence, essential traits that enable you to move through the world with assurance. Recognizing your strengths doesn't just help in achieving goals, it transforms your approach to every aspect of your life, fostering a sense of control and capability. This power comes from an understanding of your abilities and the confidence to put them into action. It's about knowing that you can influence your outcomes and that your choices have a significant impact on your life's direction. Power, however, isn't about exerting control over others. It's about self-mastery, managing your emotions, directing your thoughts, and aligning your actions with your values. When you operate from a place of such integrity, you not only enhance your ability to achieve personal goals but also increase your capacity to contribute positively to the situations and people around you. Cultivating this sense of power involves reflecting on your strengths and recognizing where they can be most effectively applied. It's also about identifying areas for growth and embracing the learning process as part of your personal evolution. Resilience is the natural complement to personal power. While power might dictate our ability to make plans and take action, resilience allows us to recover from setbacks and adapt to change. It's about bouncing back from challenges without losing your momentum or sense of self. This toughness isn't just about enduring tough times. It's about using adversity as a catalyst for growth and improvement. The benefits of resilience are profound. Firstly, it enhances your overall well-being, allowing you to manage stress and overcome adversity without becoming overwhelmed. Resilient individuals tend to maintain a more positive outlook in the face of difficulties, which can mitigate the impact of stress on their mental and physical health. Furthermore, resilience can lead to greater happiness and satisfaction in life. By viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and evolve, you can maintain a forward-moving trajectory, even during periods that might otherwise feel like setbacks. Resilience fosters a sense of purpose and can significantly affect your ability to achieve long-term goals. In the face of obstacles, staying focused and motivated can make all the difference. Resilience empowers you to navigate the complexities of life with grace and determination, ensuring that you don't just survive but thrive. Both personal power and resilience are deeply interlinked with how we see ourselves and how others perceive us. Understanding why your resilience and power might unsettle others is key to navigating social dynamics effectively. Often, the discomfort others feel stems from their own insecurities and the natural human tendency to compare oneself with others. When you display confidence and resilience, it can act as a mirror that reflects back to others any doubts or fears they may have about their capabilities. This reaction isn't necessarily about you but rather about the perceptions and internal conflicts of those around you. The concept of projection plays a significant role here. People tend to project their feelings, shortcomings, and desires onto others, especially onto those who exhibit the qualities they feel they lack. If someone is struggling with self-esteem, your confidence can remind them of their perceived deficiencies. Similarly, your resilience in the face of challenges might highlight someone else's tendencies to give up easily. These projections are not a reflection of your character but rather an expression of the other person's internal struggle and personal growth journey. Recognizing the signs that you are intimidating to others can help you understand and improve how you relate to the world around you. One common indicator is if people seem unusually nervous or cautious around you. They might hesitate to share their thoughts openly or appear overly formal. Such behavior often suggests that they might feel overpowered by your presence or worry about how you perceive them. Another sign can be a noticeable shift in someone's demeanor when they interact with you. If individuals who are normally outgoing and relaxed become quiet and reserved, it might indicate that your strength and assurance make them feel insecure. Paying attention to these changes can provide insights into how your personal attributes influence your interactions. Understanding these dynamics allows you to approach relationships and interactions with a more informed perspective, helping you foster healthier and more productive connections. It also empowers you to maintain your authenticity while being mindful of the impact you have on others, ensuring that your power and resilience are assets that uplift rather than alienate. Staying true to yourself is essential in a world where your strength can unsettle others. It involves recognizing and accepting your personal power and resilience as part of who you are. This acceptance is not about changing to fit the comfort zones of others but about honoring your own values and living authentically. When you are true to yourself, you align your actions with your beliefs, which is crucial for personal satisfaction and integrity. Living authentically requires a clear understanding of your own values, desires, and goals. It's important to reflect regularly on what truly matters to you and ensure that your life reflects these priorities. This may mean making choices that are unpopular or misunderstood by others, but staying firm in your decisions supports your mental and emotional well-being. Authentic living also involves expressing your thoughts and feelings openly and respectfully, which fosters genuine relationships and builds trust with those around you. When your resilience and power affect your interactions, managing relationships thoughtfully becomes important. Clear communication is crucial. It helps to clarify misunderstandings and bridge the gap between different perceptions. When you communicate openly about your intentions and feelings, it can alleviate fears and build understanding. It's also beneficial to actively listen to others, as this shows respect for their viewpoints and helps you understand the reasons behind their reactions. Setting boundaries is another key aspect of managing relationships effectively. Boundaries help define what you are comfortable with and how you expect to be treated by others. They are not barriers to keep people out but guidelines that foster healthy and respectful interactions. For example, if you find that someone reacts negatively to your confidence, setting a boundary can involve calmly explaining how their behavior affects you and what you both can do differently moving forward. In all relationships, empathy plays a significant role. Trying to understand where others are coming from can help you see why they might feel unsettled by your power. This understanding doesn't mean diminishing your own qualities but rather navigating social interactions with sensitivity and awareness. By combining empathy with authenticity, you create a balanced approach that respects both your needs and those of others around you. Knowing when to stand firm in your power and resilience is crucial for maintaining your sense of self, especially when others may find these traits unsettling. It is important to recognize moments where upholding your values is necessary, despite potential pushback or misunderstanding from others. Standing strong is not about being inflexible or domineering, rather, it's about staying true to your principles in situations where compromise may lead to losing sight of what you stand for. In instances where your beliefs or goals are challenged, standing your ground can be a powerful affirmation of your identity. This doesn't mean shutting down opposition but rather engaging in open, respectful dialogues where your stance is clear. This approach not only reinforces your self-respect but also teaches others about the importance of integrity. Remember, there are times when the right choice isn't the easiest one, but it's the one that will keep you aligned with your long-term vision and values. Balancing humility with confidence is key to leveraging your power without alienating or intimidating others. Confidence shows your belief in yourself and your capabilities, while humility involves acknowledging that there is always room for learning and growth. This balance is important because it prevents confidence from turning into arrogance and keeps humility from becoming self-doubt. To strike this balance, focus on being open to feedback and willing to learn from every situation, whether you are leading or following. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, but also give credit to those who have supported you and contributed to your success. This not only enhances your relationships but also keeps you grounded and connected to others. Being confident in your abilities while remaining humble enough to value others' contributions and perspectives fosters an environment where everyone feels valued and respected. Together, these strategies for knowing when to stand firm and how to balance confidence with humility can help you navigate your interactions more effectively. They allow you to maintain your personal integrity and continue growing as an individual, while also building stronger, healthier relationships with those around you. Overcoming the challenges that come with being a person of resilience and power involves a proactive approach to personal development and social interactions. It's important to recognize that while you may naturally command a presence that can be unsettling to others, you can also cultivate ways to channel this influence positively. A significant part of overcoming these challenges is self-awareness, understanding how your behaviors and attitudes affect those around you and adjusting them to foster better relationships while still being true to yourself. Developing strategies to manage and respond to others' discomfort can be crucial. This might include taking the time to explain your actions and decisions when misunderstood, which can help demystify your intentions and reduce apprehensions others might feel. These actions not only help in mitigating the unsettling effects of your traits on others but also demonstrate a commitment to mutual success and respect. Understanding the dynamics of how personal power and resilience can impact others lays the foundation for better personal and professional relationships. By accepting your true self, managing relationships with clear communication and empathy, standing firm when necessary, and balancing confidence with humility, you can navigate life's complexities with grace and effectiveness. Remember, the key is not to diminish your power but to use it in ways that inspire, motivate, and uplift those around you. By doing so, you not only enhance your own life but also contribute positively to the lives of others. While we wrap up this exploration, consider how you can continue to grow and adapt, using your strength as a tool for positive change. Your journey is unique, and while it may challenge others, it also offers numerous opportunities to lead by example, showing that power, used wisely, can be a tremendous force for good. Keep pushing forward, stay true to your values, and let your resilience shine as a beacon for others to follow.